In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Drive link in Word. This is really useful when you want to share large files, collaborative documents, or folders without attaching them directly to your Word file. Instead, you'll create a clean, clickable link that takes people straight to your content in Google Drive. First, let's grab a shareable link from Google Drive. Open a web browser and go to your Google Drive. Once you're there, find the file or folder you want to link to. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or even an entire folder of resources. Right-click on that file or folder. In the menu that appears, click on Share. A sharing window will pop up. Look for the section labeled General Access. By default, this is often set to Restricted, which means only specific people you manually add can open it. To make your link work more smoothly in a Word document, change that setting to Anyone with the link. When you do this, you'll see permission options such as Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Choose the level that matches what you want others to be able to do. Viewer means they can only look at the file. Commenter allows them to leave comments, and Editor gives them full editing access. Be careful with Editor, especially if you're sharing widely, because anyone with the link will be able to change the file. Once you've chosen the right permission, click Copy Link. This copies the Google Drive link to your clipboard. Then click Done to close the sharing window. Now your link is ready to be used in Word. Next, switch over to your Microsoft Word document. Open the document where you want to add the link. Decide what text you want people to click on. It's usually better to use something short and descriptive like project folder or meeting notes instead of pasting the long URL directly. Highlight that text with your mouse. Then, right-click the highlighted text and choose Link. In some older versions of Word, this might be labeled Hyperlink. You can also go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top and click Link there. An Insert Hyperlink dialog box will appear. On the left side, make sure Existing File or Web Page is selected. At the bottom, you'll see a field labeled Address. Click in that field and paste the Google Drive link you copied earlier. The Text to Display field should already show the text you highlighted in your document. Once everything looks correct, click OK. Your text is now a clickable hyperlink that opens the file or folder in Google Drive when someone clicks it.